My name is Chandel Shan, and I'm official delegate of Miss Face of Humanity 2018. I intend to bring awareness to mental health and the importance of being resilient to persevere.
Hi, I'm Omi and I'm the official ambassador for Miss Face of Humanity 2018. I want to be able to share my experiences and have people know that there's someone else that's going through the same thing as they are, and being able to reach out when they can.
I'm Naja Stanford, and I'm an official ambassador for the Miss Face of Humanity 2018. I will share and spread love by making a positive and effective change in society, starting with the people closest to me.
Hi, my name is Kaisha Aziza, and I'm an official ambassador for Miss Face of Humanity 2018. So you want to share love and spread love? Make sure to follow us on our journey so you can learn how to do it too.